Good afternoon, everyone. So I am tasked to make a sample basic calculation of numbers using Excel. But first, let us go to Play Store and download the application Microsoft Excel. After downloading, click Open and then just wait. Click the plus button on the upper right side and then click the blank workbook. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So take for example, we are going to add the scores of the students. So first in the column A, we are going to put names, and column B, we are going to put test, and column C, we are going to put their oral scores, and for the column D, we are going to put the total of their scores. Under names, we are going to type our students' names starting in row 2 of column A. For example, you have a student named Avery, Hayden, Kay, and Althea. So in the column 2, we will be putting their test scores. Take for example, Avery get the highest score of 10 out of 10. Hayden got the score of 9 out of 10. Kay get the score of 8 out of 10, and Althea get the score of 7 out of 10. For the oral recitation, take for example, Avery get the score of 25 out of 30. Hayden got the score of 30 over 30. Kay got the score of 27 over 30, and Althea get the 29 score out of 30. So to get the total of their scores, all we have to do is to click the arrow at the lower right side of your phones, scroll, click auto sum, and then sum, and then you will have this equal sum open parentheses B2 because it is the test which is in the column 2 of row 2, and then C2 because of it is in the column 3 of row 2 close parentheses. After that, click check, and then now we have our total score which is 35. For Hayden, same process, and we will get the total score of 39. For K, same process, equal sum, open parentheses, because it is under the second column of row 4, comma, C4, because it is under the third column of row 4. And then we will have our total score of 35. For Althea, same process, equal sum, open parentheses, B5, comma, C5, and then close parentheses, and then we will have our total score which is 36. Now if you want to total all the scores of your students, it is possible. Just click auto sum and sum. Now we will have this one in our screen. All we have to do is to do the same process, equal sum, open parentheses, D2 because it is in the fourth column which is the D column, and we have the D2 because it is in the row 2, comma, D3 in the row 3, comma, D4 in the row 4, comma, D5 because it is in the row 5, close parentheses. Click check. Now we have our total score of 145.